So whenever you log in, you will always be on your dashboard. That is your home screen. All right, and so it should look like this. You'll have your active stars available to you. And for this demo, I belong to Squad 51 EMS. So you can see I have 3 kids that list me as their primary EMS provider. There's also a 4th one over here that belongs to a different department. All that means is that an admin has affiliated this star with me as well. So they clearly live with this EMS agency, but maybe they attend school in my venue, or else that maybe they come stay with their grandmother in the summers at my venue or something like that. So somebody thought it was important enough to make them available to me on my dashboard. The idea is the vast majority of the time when you log in to our program for an emergency, we want that kid's plan to be on your dashboard screen, uh, just easily available to you. You can use this search tab to narrow down either by number, or you can narrow down by name to quickly find your stars, especially if you work in a location where you have this entire screen filled with kids. It's just a quick way that you can search. All right. In the in the instance where the kid is not on your home screen, so say you had some kid visiting from somewhere else and you have to go look them up. Once again, you can hit search all on the left. You can search either by the number if you know it, or by the kid's name. So say the parents give you the name and you hit search, and it will find that kiddo for you. And so then we could access that. And so we're running this kid for an emergency, and here is access to her form. All of these are clearly sample forms that I am showing you here today. So that's how you use both your dashboard and your search all function. If you ever need to return to your dashboard, you can either click on stars or on dashboard at the top, and it will return you to your home screen.